In this video, I'll show you how to easily sync your Instagram Reels with music using Canva's Beat Sync feature so your clips hit perfectly on every beat. Start by opening Canva on your computer or in the app. Click Create a Design and search for Instagram Reel, then select it to open a vertical video workspace sized perfectly for Reels. Once your blank project opens, upload your video clips by going to the Uploads tab and adding your footage. Drag your clips onto the timeline at the bottom and arrange them in the order you want. Keep your clips short and dynamic because beat sync works best when you have multiple cuts. Now it's time to add music. Click on Apps or Audio in the left panel and browse Canva's music library or upload your own audio track if you already have one. Click the track to add it to your timeline. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the audio track in the timeline so it's selected. In the top toolbar, look for Beat Sync and click it. Canva will automatically analyze the music and adjust your clips to match the rhythm and strongest beats. Give it a few seconds to process. Once it finishes, press play and watch how your video transitions now align with the music. If something feels slightly off, you can still manually adjust clip lengths or rearrange sections, but most of the syncing work is already done for you. When everything looks perfect, click Share, then Download, choose MP4 video and export your reel ready to upload to Instagram. And that's it. That's how you sync Instagram Reels perfectly with music using Canva Beat Sync in just a few minutes.